Hi there guys and girls, so today we're going to look at a little drum pattern involving triplets and paradiddle. This should hopefully help you with your chops. Let's get into it. Okay then, so this is a 3-part pattern, well 4 parts. These different sticking involved. There's actually 2 patterns but there's different sticking involved in it. So I'll go through the first part of the pattern and I'll pop the music down below for the whole pattern. I'll split it into 2 and then we're going to redo the 2 but with alternate lead. Okay, so the first part of the pattern is a triplet. So you're going to play the triplet 4 times. Now the sticking for this is right, left, left. The lefts are ghost noted. Okay, so you get 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the idea is you can turn this into a chop by speeding it up a little bit. So you're accenting the right ghost notes on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay. Second part of the pattern is a paradiddle with the right hand lead. So for those of you who don't know what a paradiddle is, right, left, right, right. Okay. Right, left, right, right. Okay, so we're going to put both of those together now. So you get 1, 2. Okay. So 4 triplets, 1, 2, 3, 4, paradiddle. Okay, so now we're going to speed it up a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to flip it around and start with a left hand lead. So the good thing about putting the paradiddle at the end is it then leads you onto your left hand. So because your paradiddle's right, left, right, right, you've got a left hand start. Okay, so once again with that, we're going to go start with the triplets, left hand accent, 2 ghost notes, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'll just get used to this. As with everything, take it nice and slow to begin with. If you can get the slower you start and the smoother the gaps between your notes, the speed will just come later. So don't try and just blast it out straight away unless you're used to doing these things. So take it nice and slow. Left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right. Okay, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right. And then we're going to do a left hand lead paradiddle. Left, right, left, left. Left, right, left, left. Okay, so once we're getting, I'm going to speed it up a little bit for you. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, paradiddle. 1, 2, 3, 4, paradiddle. Okay, so now we're going to put both of those patterns together. Play it slow first. Sorry about the last one. Okay, so as you can see, it goes nicely together and it puts your hands on the right side. So what we're going to do is now we're going to speed it up again, so a little bit quicker. And I'll keep repeating it until you get used to playing it. To use it as a fill-in, a full bar fill-in, you just play both sides of the pattern, right hand lead, left hand lead through once, okay? So, and then that'll bring you back to the 1. Go a little bit quicker again. Okay, and I'm going to try and go a little bit quicker again. Okay, so as I say, that brings you back to the 1. With these, I just keep looping it and looping it and looping it until you get the muscle memory. This is a really good pattern because obviously it involves your triplets and your paradiddles, and you're putting them together. So you've got two rudiments there that you can use quite comfortably around the whole kit. I mean, you could, just for an example of how to orchestrate it around the kit, you could put all your accents on the toms, and then you could paradiddle between the snare and the tom. With that being on your floor tom. And once again, with your left hand lead triplet, you could use that on the cymbals with a bass drum, or just on the hi-hat and mix between the hi-hat and tom one. And you could even move the snare drum hand around the toms a little bit. So you can see how this starts to really help your chops. I mean, that's only 2 patterns. And you're building the speed there, and this doesn't involve the bass drum. So you could start involving the bass drum, say with the triplets, doing your accents with the bass drum. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's up to you how you want to orchestrate it. As I said previously in the video, as with everything, start off slow, speed it up, especially trying different orchestrations around the kit. So yeah, I hope that helps you with your chops. As I said, it's just 2 basic patterns that probably most of us know, and just by putting them together and combining them the right way, the sticking falls perfectly for right hand and left hand and what we want to do with it. And by doing this, so the right hand lead opens up this side of the kit, the left hand lead opens up this side of the kit, so you can do lots of nice patterns and different orchestrations with that. Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of the lesson. If you could please like, subscribe and hit that bell, that would be great. I do have a link in the description down below to a site called Buy Me a Coffee. Basically it's just a way to leave a small donation to help the site if you enjoy what you see, and it will help me to create even more videos to help you guys out. So yeah, that's everything, and I'll see you again soon.